And in the high-profile Renukaswamy murder case, the legal battle seems to be intensifying, not just in the courtroom, but over the very pace of justice itself. The prosecution has now leveled serious accusations against the defense, alleging deliberate attempts to stall the trial of Kannada actor Darshan, Pavitra Gowda and others, despite explicit directions from the Supreme Court to expedite the proceedings. Deepak Bopanna has been tracking all the finer developments. He's with us with a quick update at the moment. Deepak, take us through the latest details that have emerged. We seem to have lost that line with my colleague Deepak Bopanna as we try and reconnect with Deepak at the moment. This development has raised critical questions whether justice is being delayed and who benefits from these procedural roadblocks. The latest we're tracking, the prosecution in the Renukaswamy murder case, in which Kannada actor Darshan and his associate Pavitra Gowda are the main accused, has accused the defense of deliberately delaying the trial despite clear directions from the Supreme Court to conduct proceedings expeditiously. In fact, in a memo filed before the trial court, Special Public Prosecutor P. Prasanna Kumar had stated that the Supreme Court, in its August 14th order this year, had cancelled the bail granted to 7 accused, including Darshan and Pavitra Gowda, and directed that the trial be completed swiftly. All 7 were taken into custody the same day. There are big questions at this point regarding the specific delaying tactics that the prosecution is accusing the defense of using in court. But that's the latest we're tracking in the high-profile Renukaswamy murder case, where the legal battle seems to be intensifying, not just in the courtroom, but over the very pace of justice itself. Deepak Bopanna is with us now, joining us with the latest details that have emerged. Deepak, what details can you disclose to our viewers as we speak?
Well, it seems like, there are a lot of delaying tactics, especially when the Supreme Court had cancelled the bail of actor Darshan. At that point in time, they had said that the trial should, be taken up as soon as possible and there should be no more delaying. But there seems to be, a tactic to delay is what the prosecution at least believes. And that's why they filed this memo from talking about the facilities that they were supposed to get in prison to claiming that they are not, to the inspections that were done and the reports that were given post that as well. There have been a host of issues that they've been raising time and again, which the prosecution has argued were just delaying tactics. Now, as far as the memo being filed and how the court will really respond to it is something that remains to be seen, but definitely an interesting development. The special prosecutor here, Prasanna Kumar, going ahead and arguing on behalf of the government here, saying that this is not an opportunity that should be given, considering it's a high-profile case, and that, the Supreme Court itself has asked for the matter to be taken up as soon as possible and in the judicious manner.
Right. As always, thank you so much, Deepak, for joining us with further clarity regarding the matter.